How to fill in contract and contingency sum for RFV. First log in to the eProject system. Access to project that is in post-contract stage. Go to post-contract and select Request for Variation. Go to Action and click Contract and Contingency Sum. Here you can see the original contract sum. If the contingency sum is already included in the contract sum, tick at the checkbox. Then key in the contingency sum amount. Note that you are required to fill in the contingency amount before requesting for variation. Then click Submit. As a reminder, you are only allowed to submit the contingency sum amount once.